Please subscribe show. YouTube Cole Spivey. Yeah, man.
It's very, very windy. You can hear frogs. So this area is known as Pecan Square. Out in the middle of Texas, a new development. All these houses are dynamite. They've got lights on every single one of these trees right here. Houses all lit up and everything. Pecan Square. It's a pretty cool place. So we're still in Pecan Square. I'm turning around. Finally found that one. Probably if I wasn't doing my videography, I don't think I would have found it at all. This is like a back alley right here. It'll probably take me back to the road. It's a new development. You can tell. But supposedly they have like their own harvest, and they have a place where you can fish, you know, throughout this community. It's a pretty interesting place. And also it's just set up in a very interesting way. I think I've been delivering here since they kind of started with their major development. When I had the Samsung 8. So it's pretty interesting. This must be kind of like, it says the greeting house. Oh wow. They have like tennis courts and basketball stuff in the middle of that. It's kind of an area I guess kids can play and stuff like that. I don't know what this is really. It says the Jackson Hall. And then there's this Pecan Square classic truck, Hillwood Communities. And then this says post and parcel. So I guess you have your own post office within your neighborhood, and a greeting house too. You don't see like this kind of stuff in neighborhoods at all. Kind of a long stretch entering one side of Pecan Square. There's a hill that goes all the way up this way. And in one entrance you have this bell tower house looking thing on Pecan Square. There's like lounge chairs and a stepway that goes all the way down that way. And they're still developing too. this Uncle Julio's off in Irving and then head back. Probably stop by Fuel City, and that'll be a wrap. Yeah, and I don't know why, but the sign says that Mark IV Parkway, exit closed. And this is the entrance into Fort Worth, right under this Mixmaster right here. And we'll be at Fuel City to get gasoline. Well, Fuel City is about $3.63 in gasoline right now. We conclude our evening at Fuel City, where you can get a car wash, tacos, Little Caesar Pizza, Fuel City, and the original fried pie shop. And there is Fuel City Cal. Hey, Fuel City Cal. Why don't you move? Well, that's a wrap. This is green tea, cucumber green tea. And there's also some interesting stuff tonight. Lots of wind. It was a wind advisory all day. But anyway, thanks for joining me on one of my delivery food vlogs, or food delivery vlogs. And please subscribe. Remember, you can also hit the notifying bell, and that'll let you know when the next vlog comes up. And thanks so much for hanging out tonight, and we will see you next time. Got like one more exterior of Fort Worth probably, and that'll be vlog over. Well, once I said thanks for watching, I got a haircut today, and I don't know, it's pretty windy. There was a wind advisory, okay? So it was very windy all day. It was kind of stressful. Car was kind of shaking back and forth because of the wind, and I don't know, it got my attention. So I got a lot of footage of wind and stuff like that. Thanks for watching once again. And just please subscribe. Y'all have a wonderful night. And vlog over. I've been eating these like little TV dinner things Linda gives me. She finds them reduced. It's 19 grams of protein. It's called Real Good. And it has like, yeah, it's a little high in fat, but the actual proteins is high too. Here's some of the stuff that it has on it. She gets them reduced, but it's real food you feel good about eating. The other one that she got me too, I thought that was good. I was gonna vlog it the other day. This one's actually really good too. It's an enchilada dish that's a veggie enchilada verde. This one is actually vegetarian, but this one's not vegetarian. It actually has braised beef is in it. Looks pretty good. Have a good night. And please subscribe.
Oh, a big thumbs up too.
I choose to do the real good creamy mashed cauliflower and braised beef tonight. It's grain-free too. It's about 6 minutes in the microwave. Then you take off the film, you stir it, put it in for another 2 minutes. Vlog over.